Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the autosave frequency or intervals for your documents on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, if you're a frequent user of the autosave feature and if you don't like saving manually your documents or your edits, you may change or customize these intervals for autosave, for example, to make Inkscape autosave your progress or edits in shorter intervals or more frequently. So this is how you can do it. Here on Inkscape, click into Edit in the top left and navigate to the application, to the global settings here of the application. So inside that menu, navigate to the Input-Output tab, expand it if needed. Click into, let me find it really quickly. So click into autosave here, and first make sure that enable autosave is turned on. So if that's not the case, it should be on default, but if in any case it's not, select the checkbox here. You may also choose or change the autosave location on your device. And here guys, you will see the intervals in minutes. So for context, it's not in seconds but in minutes. So on default it should be set to 10 minutes. If you'd like Inkscape to save your progress more frequently, like let's say every minute, enter 1. Let us try 30 seconds. That would be or 0.5 if that's possible. I guess it is. So guys, you can also adjust the maximum number of these autosaves for a session, and that's how it works, guys. Let me reset it back to 10 minutes, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.